Alright, today we're going to make some tortilla soup. So we're going to put together some puree. You can watch that video if you want. I got some garlic here. I'm going to saute some of these onions, about half. It does give it a nice more mellow flavor for the onions, so I'm going to give it a nice sharp flavor on those. I also got a poblano that's starting to turn, but it's still well good. And the same with just a regular bell pepper. It's not typically in a tortilla soup, but since it's starting to turn, I'm going to use it rather than throw it away. I'm going to give these a little roast. Same with half of these onions. Put it in a blender. I find that if you put it mixed with some of the tomatoes, your blending of the onions works out a lot better. So let's get to that. Just grind or put a nice char on these peppers. Before I dice them up, puree them all. Focus. Go. If you have the chance to grill them, even better. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the garlic too. It's all gonna go in a pot, cook down anyway, so it's no fear of things being not cooked or whatever. Some salt to pull out some of the moisture. I like to start off with a little bit of tomato just to have the liquids in there. I got some fresh onions, our roasted pepper, and of course our roasted garlic and onion in there on top. Blend this all up. This I have already added to my tomato puree, and 14 ounces of tomato puree going. I'm going to add in this blend. We're going to let that cook down a little bit. Again, what we're doing is we're making a base. So when we actually go to make our tortilla soup, what we'll do is we'll add in some chicken broth. And then, what do you like? Do you like your tortilla soup a little bit chunky? Well, maybe we'll add in some corn. Of course, you've got avocado, cheese, once you put that all together. But this is a good base that you can put in your fridge for a couple weeks and pull it out when necessary. Don't forget to add salt. You want to salt to taste. You're going to add in a little olive oil. Everything to a bigger pot. What I have here is 2 cups of chicken broth. Add in my corn. We're going to add in about a pound of diced chicken. The consistency that I'm looking for. Sorry, what was that, dear?
This is the best. This is the best tortilla soup you ever made.
What about you, kid? You like it?
Last couple of times I was like,
at least
okay.
He's quiet.
No,
Well, so much for that.